Hi little kids, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. So this is our second online class. Did you remember me? Yes, I am your Celine Miss. Did you go through the last week activities? Hope all of you did that one. So before we move on to our class, let's recall the previous things that we had learned in last class. Can you tell me how many fingers do you have? Yes, 10. Very good. Now you are able to answer this without counting the fingers, right? Yes. Next, can you tell me the numbers from 1 to 10 in order? Can you tell me? What is the first number? Yes, it is 1. After 1, 2. After 2, what is the next number? Is it 3 or 4? Yes, it is 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have studied all those things. Can you tell me the spelling of 2? Is it 2 T-W-O or T-O-W? Which one is the correct one? Very good. T-W-O, 2. What is the spelling of 5? Is it F-I-V-E or F-E-V-E? Which one is the correct spelling? Yes, very good. It is F-I-V-E, 5. Very good. You remember all those things. Yes. Next, one more concept we have learned, no? Did you remember that one? Yeah, very good. That is the concept of zero. Zero means nothing. If there is nothing in our hand, what will we say? Yes, we say that it is zero. Did you remember the spelling of zero? Yes, that is Z-E-R-O, 0. So, in this section, we are going to deal the greater numbers up to 10. The topic is greater than, less than and equal to. So, in this section, we are dealing with two important points. The two important points are develop the concept of greater than, less than and equal to, and comparison of two numbers. So, let's watch this picture. So, the first topic is greater than. What is the first topic? Greater than. The first topic is greater than. So, in the first picture, you can see the apples, no? How many apples are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, in the first picture, you can see 6 apples. And how many apples are there in the second picture? Oh, you are very fast. Yes, it is 1. So, first picture you can see 6 apples and in the second picture you can see 1 apple. So, which is more, 6 or 1? Which is more? 6. So, we can say that 6 is more than 1 or 6 is greater than 1. So, do you know what is the symbol of greater than? Yes, this is the symbol of greater than. It seems to be like crocodile's mouth, no? It's look like crocodile's mouth, no? Crocodiles was always want to eat more. So, which one the crocodiles wants to eat? 6 or 1? Yes, the crocodiles wants to eat the 6 apples. So, we wrote like this, 6 greater than 1, the crocodile's mouth. Similar like the crocodile's mouth. So, crocodiles wants to eat more. So, which is more in number here? 6. 6 is more than 1. So, we write like this, 6 greater than 1. So this is the symbol of greater than. Now you just look on to the next picture. So you can see the balloons there, no? In the fixed picture, how many balloons are there? Can you see the balloons of different colors? Yes. Can you count that one? Yes, you can see 6 balloons there. And how many balloons are there in the next picture? Yes, it is 3. How you will write? Is it greater? Which is greater? The crocodiles always want to eat the bigger one. The crocodile's mouth always open towards the biggest number. So which is the biggest number here? 6 or 3? Which is the biggest number? Yes, 6. So we say that 6 is greater than 3. That is 6 is more than 3. So this is the symbol of greater than. This is the symbol of greater than. Now we move on to the next concept. What is the next concept? The next concept is less than. What is the next concept? The next concept is less than. So you can see some flowers on the flower vase, right? So can you count the number of flowers in the first? Yes, that is 1, 2, 3. So you can see 3 flowers in the first one. And how many flowers in the second? Count yourself. Yes, very good. That is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the first picture you can see 3 flowers, but in the second picture you can see only 5. So which is? So we can say that 3 is less than 5. So we can say that 3 is less than 5. Do you know? I told you, no? Crocodile wants to eat the more. So the symbol of less than is this. So which is the biggest number here? 3 or 5? So the crocodiles wants to eat the bigger one. So we say that 3 is less than 5. This is the symbol of less than. So which is the smallest number? 3. And which is the biggest number? 5. So we say that 3 is less than 5. And this is the symbol for less than. Now can you do this one yourself? Count the number of stars and find which is less. Do yourself. Okay, can you count? Take one paper and write yourself how many stars are there in the first picture. Did you count? Yes, that is 4. Very good. And how many stars are there in the second picture? How many stars are there? Count yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here you can see 2 numbers, 4 and 9. So you can see 2 numbers here, 4 and 9. All you know one thing, no? Crocodiles want to catch the bigger number, no? So which is the bigger number here? Yes, 9. So we say that 4 is less than 9. So this is the symbol of less than. So we have studied 2 things. What are the 2 things? Greater than and less than, no? Yes, very good. So we have studied 2 concepts, greater than and less than. Now one more concept we want to study, that is the concept of equal to. Did you go to the park? Yes, right? Yes. What all things you have seen there? Seesaw, swing and trees. Now, here we are having 2 friends. What are the names of the friends? Yes, that is Sam and Meg. They are playing in the seesaw. They enjoyed a lot. They are balancing each other. That means they are equal. They are balancing. That means they are equal. So, they are equal. Now, do you know the symbol of equal to? Yes, this is the symbol of equal to. So, this is the symbol of equal to. Here, Sam and Mick are balancing each other. So, we say that they are equal. And the symbol of equal to is this. This is the symbol of equal to. Next one. So, can you see some fishes are there, no? So, can you count number of fishes there? Yes, in the first picture you can see 3 fishes, and the second picture also you can see 3 fishes. The crocodile become little confused, no? Right. So, what is the symbol we use here? They are balancing, they are equal. So, what is the symbol used here? Yes, we use the symbol equal to. If both numbers are same, we are using the symbol equal to. When both the numbers are same, we will use the symbol equal to. Did you understood this one? Yes, very good. Next, look at this picture. You can see some pictures over there, no? Yes, the first picture. Can you see carrots? Carrots are very healthy for us. So, can you count the number of carrots in the first picture? Yes, very good. It is 3. And what about the carrots in the next? Yes, it is 4. Are they equal? 3 and 4. Are they equal? No. So, can we tick that one? No, we want to tick the sets that are equal. Is the number of carrots are same? No, so we can't tick. What about the number of apples? Do you like apples? They are very sweet, no? Yes. So, in the first picture you can see 4 apples. And what about the next slide? Yes, that also they are having 4. So, shall we tick that one? Yes, very good. Then next you can see 2 birds and the second picture only 1. Can you tick? Are they equal? No. Can we tick that one? No, because they are not in same number. And what about the footballs? Count yourself. Can we tick? Yes, both are 1. So we can tick. And the number of ice cream you want to do yourself. Can you tell me how many ice creams are there? Oh, very good. Both sides we have 8 number of ice creams. So, both are 8. So, can we tick? Both are equal. So, we can tick. Now, do you like videos? Of course, right? So, let's watch a video.
There was an alligator living in the swamp who'd sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever 2 numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are 2 numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
For more songs, games, and original stories.
Enjoy this video. And the crocodiles always say it's the bigger number, right? Yes. And when the equal number came, what happens to crocodile? It become little confused, right? Yes. Now we move on to the next section. So you know how to write the numbers from 1 to 10 in order, right? Yes. Now what are the numbers from 1 to 10? You can see the numbers from 1 to 10 on the slide. So when the numbers go to the right, it is increasing. When the numbers go to the right side, it is increasing. So after 1 it is going to be 2, after 2 it is increasing to 3, 3 after 3 4, like that it is increasing. So can you say which is the smallest one digit number? Yes, very good. The 1 is the smallest one digit number. And what is the greatest one digit number? Yes, very good. That is 10. So 10 is the greatest one digit number and 1 is the smallest one digit number. Now we just go to the fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to symbol. So instead of pictures, here we are giving some numbers. So instead of pictures we are giving some numbers. What is the first question here? 5 and 8. So I told you now crocodiles wants to eat much. So which is the biggest number, 5 or 8? Yes, very good. It is 8. So the crocodiles wants to eat 8. Now what is the next question? We have two numbers, 6 and 6. The crocodiles become little confused and they use the symbol equal to. We use the symbol both sides we can see the same number. So we use the symbol equal to. Next you can see two numbers, 9 and 3. So which is the bigger number, 9 or 3? Yes, it is 9. Next two activities you can do now itself in your notebook. So which is the bigger number? The 1 is greater than 0. Very good. And what about the next one, 7 or 4? 7 or 4, which is the greatest number? 7. So we can say that 7 is greater than 4. So crocodile's mouth open towards 7. Very good. Now we have assignment. When you have to do your assignments in your notebooks. So the first assignment is circle the greatest number. So in the first question you can see 4 numbers. What are the 4 numbers? 8, 0, 3 and 7. You can easily find out the biggest number. Which is the biggest number here? 8. Very good. Next question, 4, 6, 5 and 2. The 4 numbers are there. Which is the biggest number? 6 or 5. At all you know, when it goes to the right, it is going increasing. So which is the biggest number? Yes, very good. It is 6. The rest you do it your assignment. One more question you have to compare using the correct symbols. Do it as homework and submit. So hope all of you understood your class and have a nice day. Thank you.